Welcome viewers. We are going to broadcast the first case study of 2023. It is an interesting journey by renowned company eHealth NSW, which transforms public health system with the cloud. So we are going to share this starting this journey so that we can know more details about the interesting part of the journey and what is the benefit of this. So the vision for AWS Cloud Journey by this NSW New South Wales, which is an Australian company. This health vision is to create the sustainable health system that delivers outcomes that matters to patients, is personalized, invests in wellness, and is digitally enabled. In line with this vision, it is currently on a digital transformation journey to build on an even stronger, more flexible, patient-centered health system for its citizens. And for these, the eHealth NSW plans, implements, and supports information and communication technology, ICT, and digital capabilities across NSW Health by designing and implementing the technology solutions to innovate and transform how healthcare is delivered to patients. With their passion for collaborating with clinicians to build industry-leading healthcare solutions, eHealth NSW is the digital center of excellence for NSW Health. And from 2021 to 2022, eHealth NSW migrated 10 clinical applications, including mission-critical workloads from its on-premises infrastructure onto the AWS Cloud. With AWS and its managed services, eHealth NSW has reduced manual operation activities, shortened the time to create new environments, and achieved performance improvements for its applications. During the pandemic, eHealth NSW was able to swiftly scale its video conferencing solution to support staff working remotely, clinicians, and patient consultation. Let's brief what is actually eHealth NSW. It is a NSW Health's digital center of excellence, providing world-class ICT services for Australia's largest health system. Established in 2014, eHealth NSW's role is to plan, implement, and support ICT and digital capabilities across NSW Health in order to deliver a digitally enabled and integrated health system that provides patient-centered health experience and quality health outcomes. And what is the benefit actually they're getting by using AWS? If we see the statistics here, uh, number one is 16 million US benefits already realized due to avoided cost, reduction in capital and expenditure, and improvements in productivity. And second point is saved up to 144,000 hours of productivity for frontline clinicians, achieved a tenfold performance improvement for enterprise patient records, can launch new test environment in less than 4 hours on average, can scale up storage easily to support its enterprise image repository, which grows at a rate of 25% per year, and built an entire call center system within 2 weeks to manage 40,000 inquiries, and reduced waiting time for negative COVID-19 test results from up to 10 days to hours. So it's a huge radical changes by using this benefit, and delivered AWS training to over 1,500 staff. So these are the benefits we're getting by moving to the cloud. Next is what are the AWS service they used for making this transformation journey. Number one is very important AWS services they used, Amazon RDS. And Amazon Relation Database Service, Amazon RDS makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. And next is AWS Professional Services. AWS Professional Services offerings use a unique methodology based on Amazon's internal best practices to help you complete projects faster and more reliably while accounting for evolving expectation and dynamic team structure along the way. So these two services, and along with the AWS Security Hub. So AWS Security Hub is a cloud security posture management service that automates best practice checks, aggregates alerts, and support automated remediation. Remediation. And then another service is Amazon Guard Duty. Amazon Guard Duty is actually threat detection service that continuously monitors your AWS accounts and workloads for malicious activity and delivers detailed security findings for visibility and remediation. So if we go that that this transformation journey, how this improve the time and improve performance. Let's hear from Dr. Zoran, who is the CI.
Digital transformation in healthcare is driven by a unique interplay between health policy, imperatives and reforms, and great advances in technology. All health systems around the world are looking at ways to transform themselves, to reform themselves, and most of these reforms seem to be inspired by the idea of moving towards more of a value-based healthcare proposition. How can we actually deliver outcomes that matter most to patients and the communities? And how can we activate patients and carers and make them real participants in the healthcare process? Digital technology is really seen as a key enabler of many of those reforms. eHealth New South Wales is the digital arm of New South Wales Health, which in turn is the largest public health system in Australia. Our mission is to support digital transformation and digital enablement of our health system. It looks after 8.2 million residents. It has 160,000 staff working across 228 public hospitals and more than 300 community health centres. Digital transformation is already making a big difference to patient outcomes in New South Wales Health.
Some of our early transformation work has been taking our critical clinical and corporate applications and then migrating them up into the cloud. This allows us to take advantage of the cloud-hosted technology to better support the healthcare of New South Wales citizens. We've taken 8 of our largest clinical applications and we have migrated them up into the AWS Cloud space. For 6 of those applications, we've had the privilege of partnering with our application vendors to be the first organisation, nationally or globally, to rehost them into the cloud.
These types of systems are particularly focusing on supporting day-to-day clinical care, making it safer, making it more efficient, and also introducing various types of decision support tools that are assisting our busy clinicians with their day-to-day work.
The approach we took is to actually not just do a lift and shift, but actually refactor most of our applications as we've migrated to the cloud. As a result of that, we've optimized most of the use of our applications to use some of the native offerings and managed services that are available in the cloud offering. We've actually delivered a lot of improvements to our services, to the uptime of our products and platforms, and also the agility in the way we deliver those services, and added extra tools and services on top of those platforms. Anecdotally, we've had about 60% uptime improvement in some of the platforms we've moved up into the cloud infrastructure as part of the re-platforming. We've also increased the sustainability in terms of the financial sustainability by being able to use cloud infrastructure to spin up and spin down servers when they're not being used. The advantage of that for both clinical and non-clinical staff means that our applications are available more of the time, which means less outages to clinical care. They're more responsive, they scale easier.
eHealth New South Wales is also making strategic investments, covering things like refreshing all of our infrastructure and our core systems in our data centres to public cloud. It's investing in our people by uplifting skills and investing in innovations like advanced analytics to benefit patient care.
We recognised early on that a technical change with the migration to cloud is only one piece of the puzzle. In order to continue to innovate and make the most of the cloud technology and the benefits that come with the digital transformation, we needed to upskill our staff to take advantage of that. The first way we do this is by encouraging our staff to go through the Digital Academy. The Digital Academy offers training pathways that allow our staff to get baseline competencies in things like cloud technology, DevOps, continuous improvement, continuous development, all these type of skills that are going to be important as we go through the digital transformation.
The reason we've been able to move at pace, to be agile, is because we have already had really strong technology foundations in place. And we also had really strong, effective partnerships with our industry partners and suppliers who have enabled us through technologies like cloud to be able to very quickly respond to increasing demands for the use of digital technology.
The team at AWS feel really privileged to be one of eHealth strategic partners in this transformation journey that they're going through. They are a unique global leader in the healthcare provider space in all the ambitious work that they're doing across the org transformation, the technology transformation, as well as their investment in skills. They are making absolute global leading strides to deliver modern healthcare to the citizens of New South Wales.